Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today I'm going to open up this box that was sent to me as a gift from Debbie. Debbie, thank you so much for sending this to me. Why my hands are on it, I'm blocking our addresses, and I'm going to open the box off camera so that you don't see our addresses, because literally they're all over this box. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a weekly basis. Now I'm going to open up the box and I'll be right back. I'm back! Through the magic of editing, I have opened up the box. I'm really excited. Debbie. She didn't tell me she was sending something, but I got an email notification saying that I had a package, and OMG, I don't know what's inside, but Debbie, thank you so much. You don't have to send me anything, but I do appreciate it. Okay, take a deep breath and let's look inside. She got me paper. Just kidding. Okay, on the outside of the box, it did say fragile, so I'm scared. What's going on in here? A note. I'm going to read it off camera. Okay, so she told me what's inside the box. I'm very interested in seeing what she means by two. And oh my goodness. Okay, I see a pen. Open first. So let's open up this first. Debbie, you're so silly. I'm so excited. M-Tech USA. How do I open this? Okay. All right. Look, everyone. Debbie got me a Debi Melly machete. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. So she said in her note, she said, important note and valuable lesson, might be a good idea to have the size or know what the measurements are before ordering. So this is one of them. Oh my God. I'm going to stab someone with it. Don't come to my channel and leave me bad comments. Okay, so now I have to figure out, I'm pretty sure, I don't know how. Clayton, can you do this?
Right there. Oh, that's a nice one too, M-Tech.
Talk louder. Sorry. Clayton's so quiet. Okay, so Clayton closed it for me, and it says Bevbe on it. This is really nice. Thanks, Debbie. Okay, so I'm guessing the other one is going to be smaller, but that's awesome that you sent me the big one too. I'm gonna stab you all. Just kidding. I'm gonna open all the packages. Okay, so now let's open this one. You're so silly, Debbie. I'm so excited. Oh, look. Little Melly machete. Debbie machete. I'm going to call it the Deli machete. Because it's, Debbie and Melly. Look at this. Has my name and everything. Okay. Whoa. Come here, diamond painting box. I'm going to open you. Okay, maybe not supporting or condoning violence against diamond paintings. No. Wow. Ew, it's sharp. Let's see. What can we cut? Let's cut the box. Oh, let's cut this box. Look how sharp it is. I'm gonna saw you. That's so sharp. Oh my goodness. I have a deli machete. Woo! And now, if you guys don't know what a deli machete is, let me just close this for safety reasons. What did you do, Clayton?
You push down that little tab thing, like down towards the back of the knife where the clip is, and then you can fold it. Where like the little thumb notch is.
Yeah.
You just push down on that little metal piece in there.
Oh. Thank you to Clayton. So for those of you who don't know, Melly, aka Melly, she's known as Melly in the diamond painting community, is a awesome subscriber. Besides Debbie, who got me this, is awesome. She sent Melly machetes to all of her favorite creators. And Debbie said that the Melly machete has been discontinued. She said, I noticed you didn't have a Melly machete when doing your unboxings. The real Melly machete has been discontinued. She found another company and said, yes, I'll order this for Fart Face. I'm surprised. I actually thought I was going to say Fart Face on it. So, Debbie, thank you very much for my 2 Melly machetes. That's so sweet. Oh my goodness. This one I'm going to put this somewhere where I'll reach for it. I'll reach for it when someone comes to my house that shouldn't be here. Okay, now let's open up what else is in this box. So we have a pen. I think it's a pen. Supplébateurs. Oh, do you guys see that? How I said that? Yeah. It says thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Their pens are so amazing. I have a mini pen from them, but I do not have anything else from them. So let's take a look-see. Pull this out of this tube. It's a little bit tight, pulling it out. Oh my goodness, this pen is beautiful. I have nothing like this. Excuse me. It smells. Excuse me, this smells like cinnamon. Is that actual cinnamon built in or what? Let me smell it again. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. Can I eat this, Debbie? Do you know if can I suck on this pen? Am I allowed to? Will I get sick? It smells so good and it's so beautiful. Look at this work of art. And it even comes with a metal tip. Thank you so much, Debbie. And here's a 4-placer. It's the good skinny kind. Wow, this pen is beautiful. And if you guys didn't know, Debbie gave me a pen when I reached 1,000 subscribers. She got me a honeycomb pen from Diamond Painting Pen Pal, or Diamond Pen Pal. And now she sent me this one. This is so beautiful. They can be BFF. Debbie, you have outdone yourself. Thank you so much for my gifts today. I really like the mistake you made in ordering 2. I would have been happy with the big one, but thank you very much for the small one. I feel like I'm going to be much safer with the small one because the big one I might actually hurt myself with, but I'm going to keep this close to my hip. Can I? Clayton, can you carry knives in your purse?
Kind of a gray area.
It's a gray area, Clayton says, so maybe I won't keep it in my purse, but I'll keep it nearby so I can shank and shiv people. Don't mess with me. Okay, and this one will be the diamond painting cutter. Okay, so thank you very much, Debbie. I really appreciate it. I love my gifts. Thank you. This was so unexpected and just... You're so nice and thoughtful, and you're so supportive of my channel. I really appreciate it. Say hi to Ethan for me, and thank you so much. If you have watched this video this far and you're new here, I hope that you want to join my hive. All you have to do is click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't mess with me. I got 2 deli machetes. Okay, bye.